Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm, coming to you again in the evening. Woo, look at that, it's dark out there. It seems like we are just rich with projects for me to share stuff with you about, so I wanted to share this. I just posted a video of me using the Bessey strap clamp to put together this odd-shaped thing that we're working on. Well, in the process, I noticed that I was having a hard time keeping it square. God, how do we fix that? Let me show you. All right, so as you can see, I've got some extra clamps on here. I can't use these clamps to hold everything together. So we've still got the Bessey clamp on here that's really holding the whole structure together. But when I start checking the squareness of the corners, hey, this one we're spot on with that. I come over here though, this one is off just a little bit, and this one, which should be 90 degrees, as you can see, it's off even a little more. Now that is probably all because of the inaccuracy of my cuts. It's not going to be a huge deal, but I do want to try to bring it as much into square as I possibly can. I definitely don't want one corner in square and then the others completely out of square. I would rather have all three of the 90-degree corners kind of equally wrong. So what I've done is I've put a couple of bar clamps on these opposing corners. Now when I squeeze one, it's gonna rack it one way. When I squeeze this, it's gonna rack it the other way. So we know we've got this corner dead on. This one is off a little, and it means this is out maybe a millimeter. So I'm gonna gently squeeze this until it sort of comes close to being in square. Bam. Woo, that's close enough. Let's check this again. There. Now this one is out just a little. Let's take a look at this one. This one is still out, but it's out a lot less than it was. So now they're all out just a little, which is perfectly acceptable. But this system right here is exactly how we can fix that. All right, I hope that helps. Hey, that was kind of a follow-up video to our strap clamp video, but I did want to post that because I thought, hey, this is really important, because I didn't want you to put the strap clamp on there onto something you're working on and say, hey, that's the end of it, let's go home. Because it may be, it may not be. And like I said, the inaccuracy of the squareness of this piece was probably due to either my skills cutting the joints, or to my saw being sloppy, or maybe some of both. Nevertheless, we got it, and that's what we do. We take a problem that we don't have some big expensive solution to, and we figure it out. So that did it, and I hope that helps you. Hey, if you like this, please give us a like. Like, comment. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this. We'll be posting stuff like this all the time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Take care. Go make something.